So Papercut Hive, certainly, it would just be no servers, no IT, any device. We can assure you that we can have secure print installed, up and running on everyone's device within the business, with integrated scanning to either email, OneDrive for Business or SharePoint, that we can have that up and running within 4 hours for you, with no downtime. My name's Errol Basaran. I'm the owner of Massiello Limited. We're an independent professional services provider, and we support the manufacturer reseller network of printer MFDs across the UK with their professional service solution requirements. So I started as a 16-year-old apprentice. I had an interest in car mechanics and an interest in IT, and I applied for a job at what I thought was an IT company. It transpired that they were a photocopier repair business. However, they offered me the job, and I've really enjoyed fixing photocopiers and printers. It was the perfect combination of mechanics and IT. I do get asked about the name a lot. At the time I was deciding whether to start the business, I was applying for my Italian citizenship, and as the application was going through and I kept seeing my nan's surname, Masiello, I thought, you know, what better nod can I give to her and what she did, and the bravery and courage she had. I'll call the business Massiello. So it's Massiello Limited, and it's a kind of a nod back to my nan. We've covered legal, first year's education into secondary education, from one device up to 45, and I'd say our average implementation is around 100 users, 5 devices. I think that's what we seem to see that size the most. We worked with a few customers with multiple sites and international as well. London, Manchester, New York for that customer, and the other customers kind of Switzerland, Milan and London. So you know, it's quite fortunate Papercut Hive can facilitate the locations so well. And that's the great thing about Papercut Hive in particular, is it has enough features to facilitate all of these different sectors, which is really good. Most people just want secure print. We've worked with some clients that are trying to tick an ISO accreditation. So to achieve that accreditation, there has to be an element of security around the printers. Some just want secure print just because they don't want their documents being seen, and some want it to reduce the paper waste. But we're seeing a real uptake in customers that want to scan, like to cloud locations, with SharePoint, OneDrive for Business being very popular. So we're finding recently that we're recommending Papercut Hive for the scanning attributes or features, and then highlighting the secure print as the secondary benefit kind of thing, which is strange because it's always been seen the other way around. But a lot of customers are really showing a lot of interest in the scanning capabilities now. The way Papercut works, it makes it easy to have multiple brands managed within Papercut, especially with the Papercut Global PostScript driver as well. So that will work across all of the brands. It keeps things a lot smoother. Papercut Hive in particular makes hybrid working so much easier. When the edge node's deployed, wherever it is, it will pretty much connect via the cloud connector and done. So definitely seeing a massive uptake in hybrid environments with Papercut Hive for sure. So most of the resellers we support will provide their own first line support, or they will triage, and if it's something they can't fix, they will then escalate it to us. But the beauty is every account we work on, we link them with Multiverse. So as soon as we have the ticket registered, we just can dial straight in MF or Hive, and then we can have a look, we can see what's going on, we can check the logs, we can see if there's a problem, what the problem is. And it enables us to have a first time fix rate of like under an hour, or to be able to diagnose the issue if it's something external, and we can feed that back to the reseller. But we can just do all of that from the comfort of our office desk. We want to support our reseller network as best we can. So for us to do that, we need that support from Papercut, and they're providing it. From our perspective as the professional services, the rollout's very simple, and we don't want to give our trade secrets away, but but yeah, we find it very, very easy to work with. I guess people buy into what, like, your enthusiasm a lot, right? So for me, I just so enthusiastic about it as a product. It's hard to shut me up sometimes. So with all the benefits, so I think it's great. It's little things have been thought of very well. Like within each tenancy, there's an option to do a demo mode. So it's very, very powerful to be able to give people an insight into Papercut Hive, the manageability of it, all over, say, a remote meeting, a remote video call with somebody, and you can fully demonstrate it. So some of that stuff is great. And had a situation earlier today. We had a pre-scope meeting over Teams, and during that meeting, I was able to use Multiverse to generate a new Hive tenant, invite the customer as an admin, and get them onboarded within minutes while still on the Teams call. So it all happened while we were talking about it. He now has admin access. He's getting familiar with it. And we've got a follow-up call to do a training session in a couple of days. So to be able to just generate the account, invite the customer as you're talking to them about the product, you know, no 2-day wait to apply for anything. It was just fantastic. Yeah, I think there was a real misconception early on that Papercut Hive was MF in the cloud. So a lot of people, I think, either missold it or misunderstood it. So it was pitched as, like I say, MF in the cloud. So then in comparison, Hive looks quite scarce to MF if you're doing that comparison. But if you break it down, a lot of the features, and again, I don't know the percentage and I won't pull it out of thin air, but there's a high amount of features that are in Papercut and come in handy for 1 or 2 customers a year that really want an unusual feature, if you like. But most of them don't use half the features available. A lot of customers just want secure print, again, to get approval on an ISO accreditation, or to reduce paper waste, or just security, you know, so people can't see what's being printed off. If there's sensitive documents from HR or finance, you know, they want to make sure they're not being seen by anyone. So that's where we really see Papercut MF operates, and a lot of the features that come with it aren't used. So when we're talking about Papercut Hive, without the comparison, and we give the demonstrations and we show what it can do, when it's being valued in its own right, people are just loving it. They're loving the simplicity. And again, the integrated scanning is a real driver at the moment. Like the way it does it, how simple it is, totally different from MF. So it can be pitched on its own merit when you're talking about the integrated scanning in Papercut Hive. I'm really, really taken to Papercut Hive. The simplicity, the functionality, yeah, I really enjoy working with it personally. I enjoy talking about it. I enjoy working with it. It's so intuitive. You know, I always had a soft spot for MF because I kind of learned print management around MF in the early days. But for me, as I sit here today, I really love Papercut Hive.